Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to use Pinterest videos for YouTube. So go ahead and search for viral shorts, right? Using Pinterest videos to grow a YouTube channel involves creating short, engaging vertical video pins, 4 to 60 seconds, that tease longer YouTube content and linking them directly back to your channel. Best practices include using high quality visuals, right? Adding on-screen text, creating a strong call to action or CTA, and using keyword-rich titles to drive traffic. So let's say I want to download this video, right? I think it doesn't allow here, so all I gotta do is just copy the link, right? Yeah, it doesn't allow. Let me go and find Pinterest downloader, right? Paste the link, and just hit the red button, download the video. The video now will be downloaded. All I gotta do is just wait, or it's already there. And then hit share here to save it in my photos. Go back and go ahead to YouTube, right? Inside, so I want to download this video. Hit next. And inside you already can add music if you want to add sound, and add text here. If you want to add something like emotion triggering content or a hook, basically. I can't believe this. Exclamation point. And put it up there so people can see it. If you want to add sound, you can choose from YouTube library and then hit next, right? And while you're uploading your video, your short, make sure to add, of course, strong title, description, and of course the keywords will be available to add it after you upload the video, right? You will see it here. So basically all you gotta do is just hit upload short, and basically that's it. Add a call to action in the description box. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and don't forget to add hashtags too, right? YouTube now allows to add hashtags to make your video trend. So see you in the next one.